Make sure you're mounted up, buffed up, and you have the correct weapons.
Jungle Bot online. Battlefield updates incoming.
Alright. They are waiting for us? No. Okay. They'll be coming though. There's a lot of them in the jungle. They're coming now.
Protection, protection.
City protection. Look for the jungle. Look for the jungle. They're going one by one. We can easily kill them all. Pulling now. Pulling now. Someone full up. Yeah. Nice, we can wipe them here.
Anti-heal in. Repulling, repulling. Wipe them, wipe them. They're still anti-heal, all of them.
I got you, don't worry, okay.
Okay, Bulwark is damageable again. Finish the Bulwark. That's very low. Need a rest behind the Bulwark. Thank you.
Bulwark down.
Everyone move middle, move middle. Quickly kill it.
Niet rust met Bulwark.
Need more DPS on the Bulwark, please.
Fan no team for. Fan no team for.
Pulling near the Bulwark, pulling near the Bulwark. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Okay, we move to the goose, we move to the goose. Go through the roofs, go through the roofs. Alright, everyone go inside the base, inside the base.
Is it good for help pool?
We can do purple, yes. But wait a little bit.
Please don't hairpull now. We have half the nameless gone.
Yeah, not yet.
Yes, I will.
If someone has a pull on the bottom side, sorry, on the top side.
Top.
Someone pull top if you have a...
Pulling top gates in 5. Can't get there sooner. Pulling now.
Look at 3 tag.
Pulling now, pulling now. They don't pay heal.
Try to rest Genio, if you know where he is. Nice. Well done, base.
Thirty seconds. Right. Wrap it up. Get ready to rotate.
Get ready for jungle. My pull is ready in 10 seconds.
Fan no jungles.
Jungle 120. Move it.
Everyone stay safe until our nameless are back. Let's move outside of the base for a little bit.
Roma.
Don't trust me. Don't trust me.
Alright, just wait outside of here. We'll be pushing back in right now. Pulling now in the big clump. Pulling.
Guys, pushing.
Okay, everyone go inside if you can. Go inside the base. Don't join the fight outside. Everyone go to the goose. Full damage on the goose now.
I'm gonna pull
Goose
around
straight.
Goose. Gonna pull around Goose. Keep focusing Goose. You gotta hit both. Pulling out.
Okay, what's in the tree
Pulling
now?
now. On the Goose.
I died on the goose. Died on the goose. I'm near the tree if someone has a free
Okay.
revive. Thank you.
7% Goose.
We can city protection. Focus everyone else. Okay, Goose is damageable. Finish it off.
I died bottom burst.
I'm on the tree.
Good job, Sweetak. I'm gonna sprint to you immediately. Sprinting you. Pulling near the tree.
Fan ulti.
People fighting on the top, go towards the center. We need you near the tree. We need to get it out of the base.
Dying on tree. Dead.
Grabbing tree, I'm on the tree. Everyone move towards the center. Don't fight top and bottom gate. I need heals on the tree, I'm dead on the tree.
Get back on if you can, Happy.
Yeah, trying. On it. I died again.
Happy up.
Apo, here
We're
on the
getting
mid
one
gate now.
group from defense. Walk around them and try to get back into the base. I need more help on the tree. Push in.
I'm gonna pull in mid gate.
I'm on the
in
tree.
5. Pulling now into mid gate in tree.
30 seconds. Wrap it up. Get ready to rotate.
People outside try to push in. Get the people in the gate. They are body blocking. They are fighting here. Freely casting. Svita, get ready for the... Yeah. Duel.
Jungle in 20. Move it.
Jungle is coming up. Go to jungle. Everyone go to jungle. Who's supposed to be there?
Fan ulti.
Someone grab the tree if you can. It's fine. I'll try to grab it right after. Press escape, press escape. I cannot grab it. I have the marker. On it, on it, on it. Sprint me, sprint me.
He ult on the tree now.
I got walled in.
I'm gonna pull after him with the scammer. Okay, pulling in 10 in front of the tree, get ready. Pulling in 10. 5. Pulling now actually. Fuck it, pulling now. In front of the tree, anti-healed.
Very good, very good. We can wipe them here, we can wipe them here.
Popping desperate surge, finish wiping them.
Get this purge guy next to the tree body blocking me, I cannot move. He's just blocking. Thank you, thank you. Zeal in 5 seconds. There's a guy on the bottom tree and top tree. Sorry, roof. Okay.
Fire.
They are grouping up top side. They are grouping up top roofs.
Defense is coming. Their defense is coming to us.
Yeah.
Okay, our defense is also going with them.
Fan ulti.
Get behind trees, try to survive behind tree.
I need heals, need heals. I'm not anti-healed, I just need heals.
He ult on the tree now.
I'm dead.
I don't have revive.
Pulling on the tree, pulling on the tree.
In front of the tree.
Okay, nice. Keep moving.
Okay, let's get closer to the tree. I'm about to pull. 5 seconds to get closer to the
Rama.
tree. Pulling a little in front. Pulling now. Anti-healed.
Alright, defense is recalling their people. One minute for the boss. There's a lot of people on the bottom roof.
Seconds. Wrap it up. Get ready to rotate.
Fucking Zeno.
You sprint on its own? Actually, no, don't. I'm bogged down again. They're above. They're above me. That's
platform.
Yeah,
why.
low on 20. Move it.
Get ready. Get ready for the boss. Everyone now go help. I just need Broke with me. Everyone else go help with the boss.
Look for chickens, try to kill them, get them off.
Boss is on the bottom. Boss is on the bottom. We need the boss.
They got it.
Never mind. They got it.
Get the jungle, get the jungle.
Get the jungle.
Ben ulti.
Relentless sprint.
You ready for it?
Go for it.
Here, what now? On the tree.
Okay. 3 is out of the choke of the mid, going front.
Okay, everyone focus on the mid choke. They will be pushing out of it.
They're jumping on roofs, getting in front of the tree. Don't get too
Oh yeah, they are all top roof, top roof, top roof. A lot of people. Block is body blocking me. Thank you. They are now pushing from the mid. They are now pushing from the mid. Come back, guys. Come back, guys, to the red tree. Okay, I died on the tree.
Whatever is.
Up.
Pulling near the red tree. Pulling near the red
Gonna
tree.
repel, gonna repel. Repelling on the tree, big pulls. All anti-heal.
Using Desperate Surge. Using Desperate Surge.
Ben ulti in 7 seconds.
We wiping, get back to the blue, get back to the blue.
We're wiping.
Fan
Go to the
ulti.
blue tree. Play with defense for a bit. Stop the blue tree from moving. Abandon the red tree completely
Okay.
right now. Can't move. We get Desperate Surge in 90 seconds. Just stay safe with the blue tree. We don't need to push. Just don't let them move. Looking for a pull. Pulling all the namelesses in the front. Pulling now. Pulling now. Pulling now.
Repelling them, anti-heal.
Very nice. Very nice. Broke, come with me. We're going to the tree.
I captain. Ben ulti and
I'm on the tree.
Okay, nice.
30 seconds. Wrap it up. Get ready to rotate.
Jungle in 20 seconds. We need the jungle buff
That on tree.
as well. Died as well.
Jungle in 20. Move it.
Get to the jungle, get the enemy jungle as well.
Sweet up.
No, not enough money, we need jungle. Bottom jungle, no one's there. Kill it fast. They're trying to steal the other bottom jungle. I'm respawning in base.
I'm gonna sprint to you now. Go, go, go. They missed.
Okay, nice. They missed. Keep going. Run, Forest, run.
I got them off.
They're panicking.
He was on the tree now.
Repulling this big clump. Repulling the big clump.
Desperate for a chain.
Kill them all. Kill them all.
Broke up.
Kill the blue tree guy.
Roma dying on tree.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll try to re-grab it. Getting stunned. Don't have the tooltip.
I'm getting on them. I'm on it.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. We have sprint in 60 seconds.
Desperate stretch from them, declamp. I got some invisible people blocking me. I'm dead.
Need one healer on the tree. Thank you, Gino. I'll try to grab it. My space is not working. What the fuck? Thank you.
Sometimes happens.
Alright. Keep going, keep going. I'm pulling them off of you. Never mind, I'll wait for just 10 seconds. You'll sprint him, no sweet hack.
Yeah, 5 seconds. I'm gonna
Yeah,
pull
yeah.
before that.
I have a, oh, he's dying, he's dying, he's dying. We need heals. Okay.
Get on. I'm gonna pull and then.
Trying to get on. Guys, come back to the red tree, come back to the red tree.
Just use spells, step get on. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Pulling.
Repulling, you sprint.
Sprinting.
Repulling, yeah, go. Stop them, and GG. Well played.